We are at Aillwee Caves.
Yeah. First, we have to climb all these. Does it have to be that close?
What's wrong?
It's just a bit.
Come on, you've got a funny face.
Let's just go.
Let's go through this woodland walk. We're going up a hill. He's knackered, man. He's fucking knackered. Very mystical woods.
Smells of leaves, wet leaves.
Scary. That's scary. Beautiful Irish landscape.
So I've always really wanted to find out what it's like. I want to go into these caves. They're made of limestone. See the sign?
I wonder if we'll see Michael Burke and the 999 team. Some caves. Very damp and dark.
Drapes and curtains down there. The base of this stalagmite down here, and found it is over 8,000 years old. Allow these calcite formations to flow as if the river was still flowing through, would have washed. Does anyone have any questions about any of that? Okay, so perfect guys at this stop as well.
It's an ancient waterfall underground.
It's fucking mental, man.
It's hovering.
Wow. Gorgeous bird.
It's around. You guys listen really carefully to him.
Wow.
So he hood on just before he flies. We have a hood on him. Just.
Never